Let's prepare our cabbage. I'm going to pour this boiling water over my cabbage for about 3 to 4 minutes and let it sit, okay? Perfect. All right, just slice up your smoked sausage or whatever you like. Let's slice our tomatoes. Yes. All right, let's melt our butter. All right. I drained our cabbage nicely, so we're going to just put this into our butter. Wonderful. All right, we're just going to spread it out a little bit. Wonderful. Season it with some salt. Yes, a couple of pinches. Don't be shy. And some black pepper. All right. All right, let's beat our eggs. We're going to put part of our egg just nicely over, part of our egg, and then we're going to use the next part, and I'll show you exactly what we're going to do. That's about right. See, we're going to hold this back, okay? We're going to hold this much back. Let's put a portion of our mozzarella cheese. All right, just cover it nicely. Look at that. That's what you want. Cover it and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. All right, look at that. We're going to try to release the edges. Just want to loosen it up a little bit. To flip it over and see how it comes. All right, I'll be right back with you. Okay, I melted another butter in the pan, and now we're gonna put back our wonderful cabbage and egg. Let it slide right back in, just like that. All right, that's what you want. Smoked sausage, just cover it nicely. Just spread it out nicely. I'm using smoked sausage. You can use what you like. Let's add some tomatoes also. Let's add the rest of our egg. Just pour it over nicely, evenly as best you can. Don't be shy. Get it all over there. Yes. Let's top it with our mozzarella shredded cheese. Yes. Okay guys, here you have it. Let's serve it up. This is it guys. Those of you that are first time to my video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al.